If you've ever wondered why your skin loses its bounce, your joints feel stiffer, or your nails chip more easily, then this video is for you. What you're feeling is collagen loss, something that starts quietly in your 20s and accelerates every decade after. I decided to find out what happens when you consistently replenish that collagen, not with magic creams, but by feeding it from within. This is not about the product. This video is not sponsored. This is just a product that I have been using for over a year now. Instead, what this video is about is how collagen peptides work inside your body and why they're one of the nature's most intelligent repair systems. By the end of this video, you'll know the real evidence-based benefits, as well as the hidden reasons some people see amazing results while others see nothing at all. So first of all, what collagen actually is. Collagen is a protein that gives your body structure. I want you to imagine it as the invisible net that holds your skin, bones, tendons, and other digestive lining together. Your body makes collagen from amino acids. Think of glycine, proline, as well as other amino acids. But over time, things like stress, UV exposure, and sugar damage that network faster than you can rebuild it. So when we consume hydrolyzed collagen peptides, they're already broken down into smaller fragments that our intestines can absorb. Once inside the bloodstream, they travel to the dermis and joints, where they start to signal your fibroblasts, which are the builders, in order to signal them to start producing new collagen and hyaluronic acid. It's not about replacing collagen directly, it's about reminding your body how to rebuild itself. Clinical studies show collagen peptides can improve skin elasticity by up to 18% and hydration by more than 20% in only just 2 months. But what you'll notice first isn't always what you expect. It's that fresh, plump texture that no serum can fake. And when your skin senses fragments of broken collagen, it quickly goes into repair mode, like a construction site receiving a new delivery of material. It boosts fibroblast activity and even supports hyaluronic acid production, the molecule that's responsible for holding 1,000 times its weight in water. And after just a few weeks, I caught myself touching my cheek one morning thinking, this feels like I slept really well. That's collagen quietly doing its job. And if you're relying only on topical skincare, you're nourishing half the system, the surface, not the source. So let's talk about how collagen helps you build stronger joints and bones, because collagen doesn't just live in your skin. It's the cushion in every joint and the flexible strength inside your bones. As collagen declines, so does cartilage density, and that's why your knees quick and recovery slows. There has been several studies on athletes and adults over 50 that showed daily collagen peptide intake around 10 grams can reduce joint pain as well as stiffness within 12 weeks. The peptides stimulate cartilage forming cells, and they also help to maintain smooth joint surfaces. When I first started adding collagen to my diet, whether that was in powder or in liquid form, which is my favorite way to take it, the first change I noticed wasn't cosmetic, unfortunately. It was in my movement. I could sit cross-legged on the floor without that familiar tug in my hips. If you're stretching every day but your joints still ache, you might be missing out on the building blocks your body needs to actually rebuild comfort. Now let's talk about its amazing benefits for the hair and nail growth, because hair and nails are outward reflection of internal protein health. Collagen's amino acids support keratin production, and that's what your hair and nails are made of. In a 24-week study linked in the description box below for those who want to dive in further, participants taking collagen peptides saw a 42% reduction in nail breakage and noticeable improvements in thickness. Many also reported faster hair growth and stronger roots, and I noticed fewer stray hairs on my brush after just 5 weeks. It's not overnight magic, but it's steady renewal, and it's one of those quiet transformations. So you don't notice it daily, but one morning you wake up, you realize you haven't needed that strengthening polish in months. Also, it's amazing for gut and digestive support, and a few people realize how much collagen support digestion. The amino acids, we're talking about glycine, glutamine, all of these help to repair the intestinal lining, which is really essential for nutrient absorption and gut barrier integrity. So I think of this as your gut, like a garden fence. If the gap widens, unwanted elements start to sneak in, collagen comes in to help mend those gaps. It eases symptoms like bloating and fatigue associated with poor gut health. You can mix your collagen into warm drinks. You can have it with water, such as here I'm having it with my morning chlorophyll water on an empty stomach. Extreme heat, in this case, if you decide to have it with a boiling, like as in with your tea or with your coffee, this can degrade the peptides and reduces their benefits. In order for collagen to work, it also needs vitamin C, and the heat will destroy the vitamin C and it will make it difficult for your body to take in. So if your gut feels off, fixing collagen depletion might be just the missing piece that you need, not another restrictive diet. What is the hydration connection? Collagen doesn't just add structure, it acts like a natural sponge. It binds to water molecules as well as hyaluronic acid, and it locks moisture inside your cells. As collagen breaks down, your skin barrier weakens and the water starts to escape faster, leading to things like dryness as well as wrinkles. Now, by rebuilding this network, collagen helps the skin hold hydration instead of constantly losing it. And you'll notice it when, for example, makeup sits smoother, when your lips feel less dry without even adding any sort of lip balm. It's really subtle, but it's real. Talk about some lifestyle habits that boost collagen naturally. Supplements can only do so much, but your lifestyle either builds or breaks collagen every single day. So here are my favorite boosters. Number one, eat vitamin C rich foods. I'm talking about citrus, berries, as well as kiwi. Number two is to get enough protein, especially from eggs, fish, legumes as well. It's really important to also, number three, take enough sleep because the growth hormone peaks at night, and this is a really important time to replenish collagen fibers. And number four is to take glycine as well and amino acids because they're the building blocks of collagen. And lastly, stay calm because chronic stress raises cortisol, which slows down collagen synthesis. Also, sugar, smoking, chronic dehydration, these are all collagen killers. Even glycation reaction, and this is where the sugar binds to proteins, this actually stiffens those once flexible fibers. And even the best supplements can't compete with daily choices. So I need you to protect your collagen and your body will reward you. So how long does it take and why consistency is really important? Now, this is because your skin cycle lasts about 28 days, and that's one renewal round. The most visible improvements happen after 6 to 8 weeks of daily collagen intake, whether you take it as a liquid collagen like I'm doing right now, whether you take it as a powder. It or takes about 6 to 8 weeks of daily intake, consistent daily use. And it could also take joint comfort can take anywhere between 12 to 16 weeks. Keep in mind that collagen builds gradually. It's like laying bricks. If you miss a few days and progress slows, it's okay, but just stay consistent and the results will compound. And most people stop right before their collagen factories switch back on. Don't quit at week 3. That's when your body's just getting started. So what really happens when you start to take collagen peptides consistently? You will rebuild what time slowly has eroded, like structure, moisture, as well as resistance. It's not vanity. It's basically cellular nourishment. And I see collagen less as a beauty trend and more of a return to balance. It helps the body remember its natural design. And if you've loved learning how simple natural choices can transform your health from the inside out, subscribe to That Holistic Mom and let me know in the comments section what changes have you noticed since starting collagen. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.